These are my chocolate chip pecan pie bars. Perfect Thanksgiving or holiday treat and so easy to make. For the shortbread crust, we'll combine our flour, brown sugar, and salt in a food processor. We'll pulse in our butter until the mixture looks a little bit like this. We'll press that into our pan and then put it in the oven for a few minutes just so it can get lightly brown. I definitely recommend using toasted pecans. They have such a nice crunch and amazing flavor. For the filling, combine your butter, corn syrup, brown sugar, vanilla, salt, and then add in your eggs. Whisk that up until it's nice and smooth, and then add in your pecans and your chocolate chips. Once that's all mixed together well, then you're almost done. Spread the filling into your crust, make sure it's smooth on the top, and it's ready for the oven. Right when it comes out of the oven, I like to sprinkle on a little bit of flaky salt, and then let it cool completely before you cut it, or you'll get those nice clean cuts. And that's it. I'm so excited for you guys to try these pecan bars. I love the addition of chocolate in these. It adds so much sweetness and richness, and I love using chocolate chips to add that chocolate flavor because it's so easy. Let me know what you guys think. These would be perfect for a Friendsgiving or a holiday gathering. Full recipe is up on my site, ShanaeToday.com.